Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be having a drugstore tutorial. Now I bought a couple of products from Ulta and I'm like dying to try them out for you guys, so let's jump right into it. So the main item that I'm going to be showcasing today is the Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright Shadow Palette. This palette right here, I'm so excited to try this palette. I never have tried a palette from Makeup Revolution. I actually don't have that much Makeup Revolution makeup, but hopefully this palette changes my mind. I am a big fan of their luxury baking powder. This powder right here I'm going to be using in the video today is like an OG powder, and I'll always go back to it. I love that powder so much. So back to the palette though. I love palettes that come with their own mirror. I think that's super cute. If I'm on the go, I can just whip it out. I got my own mirror. I don't need y'all's mirror, okay? So this palette also has 28 different shades, and there are other, there was actually another Patricia Night palette that I saw on Ulta's website, but I decided to go with this one. This one is a more, I'm gonna say it's more neutral than the ones that I saw. The other ones were like super bright. I think first what I'm gonna do is go in with some swatches. Let's try the blues first. So first I'm going in with Stay Hydrated. That is such a cute name, Stay Hydrated, and it's blue. Yes, quench your thirst, girl. Okay, I am a little surprised that it, okay. It's so hard to swatch when you have nails. I mean, I'm trying not to dig into the other colors, but it ain't working. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys what my fingers are looking like, because these swatches look awful, but look, just look at this color payoff. You see this? It's crazy. Okay, so I hope that you guys can tell by what I'm kind of wearing that I'm going to be going in with a green look today. Y'all pray for me. I don't ever really use bold colors. I hope this don't look crazy. I went to Walmart and I bought some shadow shields just for this occasion, because I'm gonna need something to control these eyes. So since this is a drugstore tutorial, I'm just gonna go in with the NYX. Is it NYX or is it NYX? I don't really know. A lot of times I say NYX because, I mean, the letters are capitalized, so I'm like, it's kind of acronymish to me. I'm not really sure. But I'm gonna go in with the NYX Professional Makeup HD Studio Photogenic Concealer Corrector. I'm just gonna blend this out with another brush. Okay, so I blended out the concealer on my eyes, and the next step, I'm about to go in with this dark green. I definitely need some control with this color. I don't want to go too hard in the paint, okay? So I'm gonna go in with a Morphe brush. Pause, before I even do that, let me get my shadow shields. I done already almost messed up, y'all. Okay, boom, I'm back with my shadow shield. I'm about to go into Risk Taker. Okay, so in order to really blend this color out, I'm actually gonna go into one of the BH Cosmetics palettes and get a really light green, just so I can make sure I'm blending this out correctly, and I think it'll be really cute with this dark green. So I'm probably gonna go in with one of the three. I'm thinking the second one. Now I'm just gonna go back in with that green to make sure it still has its color. I'm about to go in with Extra AF. It is a green/blue shimmer, kind of like an emerald color, so I think that'll really look great with this eyeshadow look. So I have some Morphe Eyelid Primer right here, so I think I'm gonna go in with this. Try to go in with this flat brush right here and see exactly how the color payoff is with the brush before I try my finger. Yeah, I think that looks so much better with my finger. I'm gonna go back into my Risk Taker shade and just darken up around that glitter and blend that glitter out. Lastly, I'm about to go in with a clean brush and just kind of blend my eyeshadow all together. There's also this really pretty glitter and it's called Darlings. I'm so tempted to put it on top of the Extra AF shadow, and I think I'm about to do it. I hope I don't mess it up, but I'm sure we'll be able to fix it. If you've been watching my channel, then you know that I love the NYX matte liquid liner. This is one of my favorite liners. I don't think that eyeliner is gonna look right because of those shields, so I'm just gonna take them off. That one turned out really good actually, but oh no, this one didn't. Yeah, we're gonna have to fix that one up. Okay, so I'm back with the final eye look. I added some lashes, some mascara. I also went in and did a little under eye with that Risk Taker color. And so yeah, here's the final eyeshadow look. It came out, okay, let me just say I'm pleasantly surprised. I do like the palette. It does take a few dibbling and dabbling to get the color that you want. For a drugstore palette, it's great. I would purchase it again. I would purchase another Makeup Revolution palette just based off this one alone. Now I'm ready to move on to the rest of the face. I'm so eager because I got some NYX Total Control foundation. I've been wanting to try this foundation for like ever. It's been out for a long time now, but I'm just now deciding to purchase it, and I purchased 3 of them because I didn't know what shade I am. Especially I've been inside because of the pandemic, so obviously my skin may have possibly lightened up. I'm going to prime my face. So the primer of my choice today, if you have been on my channel, you know that I'm going in with the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer. Y'all, this is like the best drugstore primer ever. Also, if you're a part of my Facebook group, you already know that I created a post about this primer right here. It is definitely a dupe for the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I love the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, but you know, it's pretty pricey. It's about $30, whereas this one is $10, so try it out. You won't be disappointed. So my face is primed and I'm about to try out the foundation for the first time. So I'm about to open up all 3 because like I said before, I don't know which shade is going to go best with my skin right now. Okay, so I opened them up. The packaging is super cute. I purchased the colors Golden, Golden Honey, and Caramel. So let me just show you guys the bottle before we even get into testing out my color. So this is the bottle. It has a little dripper, which I'm kind of nervous about because I love when the foundation has a pump. So as far as the dripper, I don't want to put too much on. We're gonna go with Caramel. Of this foundation for a drugstore foundation. It's really good. It doesn't feel like there is a whole cake full of makeup on my face right now, so I'm just gonna go in with the same concealer that I actually prime my eyes with. So I'm gonna go in with this one right here. Set it really quickly with the Makeup Revolution banana powder that I was talking about earlier. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in with this color right here. Alright, you guys, here is the final look.